Gangsters. What's up, y'all, man? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Today is another vlog. Today is day 5 of the 30-day vlog streak, man. I'm posting 30 days straight. You feel what I'm saying? But right now we finna go in the gun range, y'all. I ain't never been in the gun range, but we gonna see how it is. Going into it, I'm gonna do a little prediction. So I seen some shit where like you be outside and you get the target and you can aim at the target outside. And I seen some shit when you could be inside and they got the like posters up. So we gonna see which ones that we gonna do today. Going into it, man. Bro, I think I'm getting all 200 pumps, man. I'm getting all headshots, man. I don't know, bro. It don't seem hard to me. You just gotta aim and pop. Feel me? Hey, what Ed call your shit in Vegas?
Jimmy Duval or something. Wait, what do you say?
What do you call your shit in Vegas?
Call my what?
Your special finishing move.
Oh, the Sweetheart Special, nigga. Alright, bro, game him.
It's called the Sweetheart Special. Watch this. Sweetheart Special.
Sweetheart Special. Hey.
The Sweetheart Special, nigga.
Hey.
Toes though. Get a close up.
Toes,
bro.
Little dirty daddy fit.
This shit burn. Look,
That nigga toes broke.
in your head, bro.
Rocking his leg.
That nigga got a bunny. That nigga got a bunny in his big toe.
He ain't got that elbows up there. Elbows up there. Let me see your knuckles, nigga. Bro, let me see your knuckles, nigga.
Bro, I did this.
Nah, nigga. Come on, bro. You always got them grimy ass fingers, nigga. Like you just socking shit for no reason.
Alright, you keep playing, nigga's gonna hit that chin, nigga. All you niggas gonna play out here. It's gonna hit that chin, nigga.
Like, I don't want no smoke with knuckles like those. Like, them is deadly knuckles, nigga. Hey, if y'all, bro, Dylan always got deadly knuckles, bro. If you catch Dylan on a regular day, bro, you look at his knuckles. His shit is white. His shit is white. Either his shit white or his shit cracked. I don't want no problems with him, with Dylan. He got bad knuckles. We call him Knuckle Man. Knuckle Man, what up, nigga? What up, Knuckle Man? That's how you finna be in that bitch. Yeah, let me see your stance. Bro, I don't know, bro. Hey, you think it's gonna cock your shit back?
Hey, bust that nigga. Let me stop that.
When real life hit, bro, it hit different. You feel me? Like, it's real life, bro. You really gotta hold this.
Bro, I can't stop looking at your hands, bro. Bro, do
do
something.
like he just got out the pool.
Do something about
Hey,
this, nigga.
all right,
Come
look,
on, bro.
Look, all right, go
We
punch
can't
that.
be going
go
out.
touch that.
We can't be going out.
Put your knuckles on the wall, bro.
We can't be going out, bro. And
Put
your
your knuckles on the wall, bro. I'm gonna show you what happened, nigga. My knuckles touch the fucking wall, nigga.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, my shit good. Look,
What if you get that bitch with a laser on it?
I got a laser on my shit, nigga. It's dead eye.
On me. It should be the same thing, cause like if you just take the laser off, then you still got that same line, like that same dead eye focus.
This nigga fucking about bullshit. Nigga, when you get in there, nigga, you make sure you strong, you got your muscles, you make sure you stable, you feel me, you got a good base. And you plant it, nigga. You gotta let that bitch. You ever shot a cat? I
Wait,
shot a
you-
few cats.
You put your knees on the wall too? Come on, bro. What happened to the knees, nigga? The knees is.
Ashy?
Yeah, you ashy, nigga. Nigga, you ashy.
Y'all see?
That ain't wall. That ain't. That's not from the concrete, nigga.
That's from the concrete, I ain't gonna lie. That is too. That's from the concrete. You know what I mean? They all from the concrete, I ain't gonna lie.
Who y'all think got the best accuracy? You?
You know, I always had the best game. The best game on every game. Every game we played, had the best aim. Fortnite, everything.
Who got
I think I could like really hold that motherfucker and really just let niggas have it. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
We got one of each, man. Each poster, we finna see if we could tag each one, bro.
Look, dog.
I'm finna get into it, man. I'm gonna show y'all.
Like that.
Show y'all me when I'm popping, man. I don't know who's going first. Hey, who going first?
do, niggas. I be in the field. Really get real. Tell me how you feel.
Hey, put our calls out, I pull out a dread. Put that booty out, I'm trying to get a feel.
Shout out my light skinned Mexican nigga. Be careful. But bring it in, bring it in. Let's see what he's talking about. All right now. Okay.
Hey, that's, hey, I was there for
This was his first one.
That one.
Okay.
He
He
gone.
He gone, huh?
He done.
He done.
Hey, but look, hey, the first time, like, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was like popping up. That's why that shit was up. I had to keep that bitch going straight.
Oh God.
Alright, look. Got a clean slate. Let's see what I tap.
Yeah, let's see what you
Let's
hit,
see what
bro.
I tap, man. Hey, Dylan, I ain't gonna lie, he been busting shit open. No homo.
Pause.
No homo.
Pause, bro.
Yeah, we gonna see what I'm tapping, man.
Nigga said, hey, that nigga said I've been busting shit open. It hit different.
So far, I'm the closest one. Yeah, you are. No, you know what I try to do? Top right, so when I shoot, it goes bottom left. It didn't work. It's not the game, bro. It's not the game. Were we 7.5? Huh? Were we 7.5? Yeah.
See what you working with, man. That's yellow. One yellow, one red, 3 blue.
Shit, how you feel, bro? You feel like you certified or what?
I mean, hey,
Is it on you or is it on you, bro?
next round.
You gonna show us something?
Next round, I'm hit like, I'm hit shit. This one, I hit shit, but I ain't did how I want to do it.
That shit. Gotta get in there, young buck.
Motherfucker blank right now, man. Got Dylan up first. Headshots the most. Let's see what he doing.
That was clean.
But that nigga be feeling that
Yeah, I
tap
ain't gonna
back,
lie.
man. I ain't gonna,
Headshots is crazy.
he be feeling that
Really the
back,
shooter,
man.
though.
Nigga, bro,
You really a
what
shooter,
the
bro.
hell? This nigga got all daddies. Yeah, dude. How you do it, dude?
I don't play with these niggas, bro.
Let the
It's really-
let the world know the secret,
Where I
though.
wanted to hit. There's
Huh?
one bullet.
Oh, it's one bullet? Oh, shit. You got a lucky bullet. I'm gonna say here.
Right at the A?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, man. If you do this, you win it all. I ain't gonna lie. You got it.
He got one shot.
If you do this, you got
I'm John Wick.
it. John Dick. John Dick. Hold up. Oh, I missed
What he
it.
hit?
Wait, bring.
Yeah, here, bro, in the rib.
You hit that bitch?
Hit the rib.